So here's a snapshot of where we are right now in this process. So concurrent with being piloted at Shaw, we have a review from the NASA Diversity, Equity, Inclusion, and Accessibility consultants. They're taking a look through all the resources through their lens. When Shaw is finished with their pilot program, we hope we will be collecting a lot of data, both from student surveys as well as instructor surveys, as well as debrief conversations with those folks. And we're hoping to learn a lot of information about what worked, what didn't work, and then revise as appropriate. And so once those revisions have been made and we feel like the resources is kind of fully vetted and ready to distribute, we can distribute that a little bit more broadly. And so that could mean, well, primarily it'll be other MSIs, other minority serving institutions. Um, in addition, or in concert with that, we'll also have kind of a model that we can build off of. So Mosquito Habitat Mapper, if it proves to work successfully, we'll take that template, that model, and specifically what I'm talking about is the flexibility. So in part three, where you have the three different options of what students can do, we're going to try to build that into other curricular resources using other NASA citizen science projects.